Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. Let's go. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V15 Detect revolutionizes home cleaning with its powerful suction and smart technology. Delivering 100% more power, this cordless vacuum operates for up to 60 minutes, ensuring thorough cleaning across all surfaces. Its fluffy optic cleaner head reveals hidden dust on hard floors, while the digital motor bar head tackles all floor types and detangles pet hair effortlessly. The intelligent power trigger optimizes energy usage, only activating when needed. An LCD screen displays power mode, real-time maintenance alerts, and detailed cleaning metrics, including debris detection. For added convenience, it converts into a handheld vacuum for cleaning tight spaces, stairs, and upholstery. Designed for pet owners, the hair screw tool eliminates long hair and pet fur without tangling. Lightweight and versatile, the Dyson V15 Detect combines innovation and practicality, making it a must-have for achieving a spotless home. Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro. The Eufy Omni S1 Pro is a cleaning powerhouse with its revolutionary floor washing system. This system uses a self-cleaning mop with ozonated water and applies 1 kilogram downward pressure for efficient stain removal. Its dual water reservoir ensures thorough and hygienic cleaning. Featuring 8,000 PS suction power, the S1 Pro excels in removing dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its sleek, square design allows it to clean corners and edges effortlessly, leaving no spot untouched. The 10-in-1 UniClean station automates tasks like emptying, washing, refilling, and drying, making maintenance hassle-free. Inspired by sports car aesthetics, this robot not only performs exceptionally but also adds style to your living space. If you're looking for a high-performing automated cleaning solution, the Omni S1 Pro is a game-changer. LEVOIT Air Purifiers, Core 400 SP. The LEVOIT Core 400 SP air purifier transforms your living spaces into sanctuaries of fresh, clean air. Ideal for rooms up to 1,980 square feet, it uses Vortex Air technology to remove pet dander, smoke, and carbon monoxide swiftly. Its AirSight Plus technology continuously monitors air quality, displaying real-time PM 2.5 levels. Designed for multi-purpose use, it eliminates kitchen odors with the ARC formula technology and tackles allergens in bedrooms and basements. The 99.97% filtration efficiency captures particles as small as 0.1 microns, providing relief from dust, pollen, and pet hair. Sleep mode ensures quiet operation at just 24 dB, perfect for overnight use. With its smart features, large coverage area, and energy-efficient design, the Core 400 SP is a reliable solution for healthier air in any environment. LEVOIT Superior 6000S Smart Evaporative Humidifier. The LEVOIT Superior 6000S is a whole-home humidifier, covering spaces up to 3,000 square feet. Its 6-gallon tank and 1,500 milliliters per hour output ensure rapid and consistent moisture diffusion for up to 72 hours on a low setting. Using evaporative technology, it delivers mist-free humidification without white dust, making it safe for furniture. This smart humidifier adjusts seamlessly with auto mode and voice control, catering to your environment's humidity needs. Its premium filter lasts over 3 months, filtering impurities without compromising performance. Designed with light sleepers in mind, it operates at a whisper-quiet 28 dB in sleep mode. Perfect for large spaces, the Superior 6000S combines efficiency, convenience, and quiet operation, making it a standout choice for optimal home comfort. Conair Handheld Garment Steamer. The Conair Turbo Handheld Steamer combines the power of steam and an iron to refresh garments and remove wrinkles instantly. Heating up in just 40 seconds, its 7.3-ounce water tank provides 15 minutes of continuous steam. The quilted aluminum steamer plate ensures smooth, pressed finishes for clothing and upholstery. Equipped with 3-in-1 attachments, it handles all fabric types. The silicone band ensures taut fabric, the delicate spacer protects fine fabrics, and the bristle brush penetrates heavy materials for thorough steaming. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home or travel. With a sleek design and versatile functionality, the Conair Handheld Steamer is a reliable garment care tool for fresh, polished looks every day. Fanttik Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum. Compact yet powerful, the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex is the ultimate car detailing tool. Its 4-in-1 multifunctionality, vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping, offers unmatched versatility for both car interiors and household tasks. Equipped with a robust 19,000 PAS suction powered by an 80,000 RPM brushless motor, it effortlessly tackles stubborn sand, dust, and debris. You can switch between Eco Mode, which provides 40 minutes of runtime, and Max Mode for an intense 13-minute cleaning boost. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, this ultralight vacuum is a breeze to handle, allowing precise cleaning of tight spaces with its array of practical attachments. The one-touch debris release ensures your hands stay clean, while the HEPA filter captures 95.99% of dust particles for superior air quality. Its Type-C fast-charging capability adds convenience, letting you power up in just 2.5 hours. Whether cleaning car corners or keyboards, this portable powerhouse combines performance with practicality, making it an essential for on-the-go cleaning. Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine. The Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe is a carpet cleaner that delivers professional-grade results at home. Featuring 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes and heat force technology, it effectively lifts tough stains while ensuring faster drying. Ideal for pet owners, it comes with specialized tools for tackling stubborn messes and cleaning upholstery and crevices. Its dual-tank system simplifies the cleaning process by separating clean and dirty water, while the auto mix feature ensures the perfect blend of water and cleaning solution. With an 8-foot hose, included tools, and a sample cleaning solution, it's ready to tackle any mess. Pair this machine with Hoover's cleaning solutions for spotless results. From pet stains to everyday spills, the PowerScrub Deluxe is versatile, reliable, and easy to use, making it a must-have for families or anyone with carpeted floors. KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer. The KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer turns your stand mixer into a versatile kitchen tool. Designed by KitchenAid, it's compatible with any of their stand mixers, enhancing its functionality for everyday culinary tasks. This slicer comes with 3 dishwasher-safe blades, a 3mm slicing blade for precision cuts, a 4mm medium shredding blade for cheeses and firm vegetables, and a 6mm coarse shredding blade for tougher items like cabbage. Its 2-in-1 food pusher accommodates both small and large ingredients, while the included storage case keeps everything organized. Whether you're prepping salads or shredding cheese for a pizza, the Fresh Prep Slicer simplifies meal preparation. Compact and efficient, it's an excellent addition for anyone looking to maximize their KitchenAid mixer's potential. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System takes blending to the next level. With a sleek design and enhanced functionality, it's a powerhouse for home chefs. Its 1400-watt motor powers the total crushing blades, which makes short work of ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients. This all-in-one system includes an 8-cup food processor bowl for precision chopping and dough mixing, a 72-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 24-ounce cups for on-the-go smoothies. With 5 Auto IQ programs, it eliminates guesswork by using timed pulsing and blending patterns for perfect results every time. Whether you're making nutrient-packed smoothies, kneading dough, or whipping up a frozen treat, the Ninja Kitchen System combines versatility, convenience, and power to handle it all with ease. Breville, the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a multitasking marvel. Combining air frying, roasting, and dehydrating, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. The Element IQ system uses 6 quartz elements and smart algorithms to ensure even heat distribution, eliminating cold spots for precise cooking. Its 13 cooking functions, including air fry, slow cook, and dehydrate, cater to all your culinary needs. The super convection fan speeds up cooking while delivering crispy, golden results. With a spacious interior, it can handle everything from a family-sized roast to a batch of cookies. The integrated oven light and replaceable components add convenience and longevity. Whether you're a novice or a pro, this countertop oven elevates your cooking game while saving time and space. Dreo Space Heater. The Dreo Space Heater is a versatile and compact solution for winter warmth, designed with both safety and efficiency in mind. With 1500-watt PTC ceramic heating, it heats up spaces up to 200 square feet in seconds, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or even hot yoga studios. Its ETL-certified safety features include tip-over and overheat protection, automatic power-off, and a sturdy flame-retardant design, ensuring worry-free use. What sets this heater apart is its whisper-quiet operation at just 40 dB, thanks to its oblique airflow technology. Its 70 degrees oscillation spreads heat evenly across the room, while the Smart Eco mode adjusts power usage to maintain a comfortable temperature, saving energy in the process. The touchscreen and remote make operation effortless, and its lightweight, compact design allows for easy portability. Whether you're looking for rapid warmth or a sustainable heating option, the Dreo Space Heater combines safety, functionality, and modern convenience, making it a reliable winter companion. Outin Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine. The Outin Nano Portable Espresso Machine is a game-changer for coffee lovers on the go. Weighing just 670 grams, its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for travel, camping, or office use. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, this device is easy to disassemble and clean. With a 20-bar pressure system and self-heating technology, it delivers rich, creamy espresso in under 200 seconds. Its versatile brewing supports both ground coffee and capsules, offering flexibility with a simple one-button operation. The 7500 mAh battery provides up to 5 hot shots per charge, with USB-C compatibility ensuring universal recharging options. Ideal for busy schedules, this portable espresso maker guarantees premium coffee without compromising quality. Its leak-proof, insulated design ensures hassle-free transportation, and Outin's 12-month support period adds peace of mind. Whether at home or in the wilderness, the Outin Nano delivers cafe-quality espresso wherever you are. KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. The KBS Pro Bread Machine offers a premium home baking experience with its robust features and user-friendly design. With 17 customizable programs, you can effortlessly create pizza dough, jam, yogurt, and more. Its unique ceramic pan ensures even baking and healthier results, free from harmful chemicals. Powered by a 710-watt motor, the machine kneads dough efficiently and quietly at less than 40 dB. The automatic fruit and nut dispenser and 15-hour timer make baking even more convenient, while the 1-hour keep warm function ensures fresh bread anytime. The sleek stainless steel design, intuitive touch panel, and 360° baking technology deliver professional results with minimal effort. Accessories like paddles, measuring tools, and a recipe book enhance the experience, while the large viewing window offers full visibility of the baking process. Backed by ETL certification and a 2-year warranty, the KBS Pro Bread Machine is a reliable choice for creating delicious, healthy bread at home. Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. The Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox redefines meal portability with its sleek and functional design. Its 20-ounce capacity is ideal for personal meals and leftovers, making it perfect for work or school lunches. The detachable cord simplifies storage, while the spill-proof seal ensures mess-free transport. With its modern vintage black licorice aesthetic and soft-touch exterior, this lunchbox combines style and practicality. Maintenance is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe food container and lid. Crafted from safe materials like stainless steel and aluminum, it offers durability without compromising safety. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, the Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox is a must-have for anyone seeking convenient on-the-go meal solutions. Whether reheating soups, pasta, or casseroles, it delivers warm, satisfying meals every time. CASABREWS Espresso Machine. The CASABREWS Espresso Machine brings cafe-quality coffee to your home or office with its stylish and compact design. Equipped with a professional 20-bar pressure system, it ensures rich, flavorful extractions for espressos, cappuccinos, and lattes. The built-in steam wand creates creamy, textured microfoam, allowing you to craft barista-style milk-based beverages. A detachable 34-ounce water tank and dual filters accommodate single or double shots, making it perfect for personal or shared use. The intuitive pressure gauge helps customize your brew, while thoughtful features like a tamper, spoon, and instructional videos ensure an easy learning curve. Note: cooling the machine post-milk frothing is crucial to maintain optimal performance. With its durable stainless steel build and practical design, the CASABREWS Espresso Machine offers an elevated coffee experience at a fraction of cafe prices. For coffee enthusiasts, it's a worthy investment to indulge in gourmet drinks anytime. These 15 Amazon home gadgets offer the perfect combination of style, functionality, and innovation, making them ideal for anyone looking to enhance their living space. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply want to make daily tasks easier, these gadgets are guaranteed to impress. From smart solutions to practical tools, they provide everything you need to create a more efficient, comfortable home. Ready to upgrade your home? Click the links in our review to discover these amazing gadgets on Amazon and take the first step toward transforming your space today.